Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to install Docker on your Oracle Cloud VM. Now I'm assuming that you are using Oracle Linux, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you have to do is to log in into the virtual machine. As I said, I'm assuming you're using Oracle Linux. So first you will have to log in into the VM, as I said, and then you will have to update. So as you can see here, you will have to type these commands, yum update, and then it will update all of these. After that, you will have to install Docker using these commands: dnf install y dnf utils zip unzip, and then dnf config manager add repo, and then the link of the download page of Docker, basically. So here is the link of the website, by the way, if you want to follow along. So I will zoom on it, and you can just pause the video and visit this website. It's called medium.com, or you can just go on Google and type medium.com, how to install Docker on Oracle Linux, and then go on and install Docker. So dnf remove y run c, and then dnf install y docker ce no best, and then finish the Docker setup by enabling and starting the Docker services. Of course, you can get information about Docker using the following commands, and that's it. Now Docker will be as a non-root user, so you can change that, of course. And yeah, basically that's it. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.